Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and construct new buildings on the Toca Boca World game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Toca Boca World game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu from which you can directly start your game. Now tap on the play button to get inside your game, and you will now be able to browse through the various different locations. Now if you wish to add a building or construct a new one, then you will need to scroll through the area where this is available. If you are able to build new constructions, then you will see the new items available option at the bottom section. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you can choose where you would like to place your new property. Once you tap on the plus icon, go ahead and tap on the build button for the building that you wish to buy. And now this will begin the construction of the building that you just selected within your location that has been chosen right away. And now you can go into this building and start making your edits and changes. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a new building on the Toca Boca World game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.